Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to ask a question in your Instagram story. So let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, look up here on the upper left-hand corner. Do you see where it says your story? Click on the little plus sign. This takes you to your story. Once here, just take a picture. You can take a picture or also add a picture over here from your picture library. But I'll take a picture right now. So I'll take a picture like that. And after taking the picture, if you look up here, and I think this also works with video also. If you look up here on the upper right hand corner, do you see this icon right here? Click on that. And then this icon again. Click on this icon. And then do you see over here where it says questions? Click on that. From there, you see where it says ask a question. You can go ahead and also move this around whichever way you want. And then tap, what you would do is tap on here where it says ask me a question. You can customize the question. What do you think of my logo? And I do want your opinions on about my new logo. If you have the time, please let me know what you think of my new logo, and leave that in the comment section below. All right. So once you have typed in your question, and you can move this question bar in any location that you want to do it. You can make it smaller, make it bigger like that. Okay. So type in the question, and then once it's all done, click over here where it says send. So this is the question that your viewers will see. And click on where it says send. And then click on where it says your story. I'm done. And if you click right here, there goes the question. That's how you ask a question in your Instagram story. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.